These monks, who have settled in southern India, still continue to transmit and preserve their Buddhist monastic heritage. Today, they've been invited to the small farm of old family friends to hear their son's formal request to join their monastery. Their son, named Lobsang, has been encouraged to leave home for a monastic life by his mother and father, who are devout Buddhists and loyal patrons of the monastery. He is also guided by an uncle, a cousin, and an aunt who were previously ordained into religious life. The father and his daughter lead the monks toward the house, where they are greeted by Lobsang and Lobsang's aunt, Anila, who has taken the vows of a Buddhist nun. Before asking the monks to accept Lobsang into the monastery, Lobsang asks his father to make sure that his mother and aunt still go along with his decision to be a monk. Reassured by the whole family's resolve that Lobsang should join the monastery, Lobsang's father makes a formal request to the monks. The senior monk will approve the request, but stress the difficulties and challenges of monastic life. The next day, happy that Lobsang is becoming a monk, but sad to see him leave home, mother and father place scarves over his neck as a blessing for good luck and a safe journey. For centuries, Sera Monastery has been ranked among the greatest scholastic and religious institutions of Tibetan Buddhism. Unique for its emphasis on scholarly training, Sera belongs to the Gelugpa sect, one of 4 major Tibetan sects. In Tibet, the original Sera Monastery housed over 4,000 men. In India, it contains about 800 men. Lobsang's close family ties to this monastery determined his decision to be ordained here, where his head is carefully shaved to leave only a few strands of hair, which will be cut off during the ordination ceremony. The next day, he dons new monastic robes and bows 3 times out of respect for the abbot and devotion to the Buddha. Following the example set by the Buddha, Lobsang's last threads of hair are cut off to symbolize his separation from worldly life. "41 prescribed questions determine Lobsang's suitability for monkhood before his new garments are formally given to him. Then he ritualistically takes up the begging bowl for obtaining his daily sustenance. The monks invoke the blessings of the deities on Lobsang's commitment to uphold the 10 vows of a novice monk. These vows prohibit killing, stealing, lying, sex, and intoxication. They forbid dancing, singing, wearing jewelry and makeup, sitting on luxurious high seats, eating at improper times, and touching or accepting precious metals. To seal his ordination, Lobsang vows to take refuge in the 3 jewels. Lastly, Lobsang receives the blessings of the abbot as he enters a lifelong career